Hey everyone! Welcome back to Food and Fun channel. If you've been craving something rich, creamy, and with that perfect mix of flavors, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a mouth-watering Thai chicken peanut curry that's bound to become a favorite. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons oil, 1 onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1-inch ginger, 1 to 2 tablespoon red curry paste, 1 can of coconut milk, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 pound boneless chicken, 1 bell pepper, 1 carrot, 1 zucchini, optional, 1/2 cup frozen peas, cilantro and crushed peanuts for garnish. Got all your ingredients ready? Perfect. Let's get to the cooking. 1. Preparation. First, in a large pan or wok, heat the oil over medium heat. 2. Onion and chicken. Once the oil's hot, add your sliced onion. We want them translucent. And right after, in goes the chicken. 3. Aromatics. Now, it's time for our aromatics. Garlic and ginger. These will make our curry super fragrant. 4. Curry paste. Here's where the magic happens. Red curry paste. This will give our dish its characteristic Thai flavor. 5. Peanut mixture. Alright, let's mix things up a bit. In this bowl, I've whisked together coconut milk, peanut butter, soy sauce, brown sugar, and lime juice. This concoction is what makes this dish so dreamy. 6. Vegetables. Now, we add in our veggies. Bell pepper, carrot, and optional zucchini. Let them simmer and soak in all those wonderful flavors. 7. Final touches. Just a few minutes left. Stir in the peas and let them warm up. A quick taste test. And maybe a pinch more salt. 8. Serving. Time to serve. Over a bed of steamed rice or noodles, this curry shines. And don't forget, a sprinkle of cilantro and crushed peanuts for that extra touch. There you have it, a bowl of comforting Thai chicken peanut curry. I can't wait for you to try it. If you love this recipe, give us a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, hit that subscribe button for more flavors from around the world. See you in the next one.